If you're fake to me, please don't play with me. It's about trust. Say my different number when you showing up. Only on my own and when you show me love. If I hit my bro, then you might show me up. So I always on my own, I couldn't get enough. Not like every time I'm writing, I've been on the drugs. Not like 3 years to the dome and maybe not enough. Now I can't pick up the phone and have my body numb. This the closest shit I'm getting to a shoulder up. Okay, it's all the food you say to me, okay. Tell me should I come a different day. You're busy so I'm so I can break now. Stars along the way that I can make now. Something but let's go our separate ways now. Wish that you could say it to my face. I'll come to Jersey on a date now. So why you always try to fucking play?